What's up, buddy? You walk in Costa Rica and the dogs just came to you. This is my guard dog now. His name is Hess the Second. I was just walking on the streets and Hess the Second came to show me the ultimate place. The natural Costa Rican springs. They're nice, huh? They're so cool with this tropical heat. Oh man, chef's nature's kiss on you to make you a little bit more powerful, give you a little bit more vitality. Today, a quick little health tip for all of the longevity and health freaks who still have trouble even though you are doing all the correct things. As the experts, the influencers say. You're doing your morning routines perfect. Your biohacks are on point. But you still feel like something is a little off. Something is missing in life. Or you straight up feel like shit. That's many people. You have tried all the protocols, all the diets, everything, but you still make the number one mistake. You are not one with nature. Your environment sucks. And remember, not all nature is created equal. This nature that I'm at right now, on the tropical freaking sunlight, on the volcanic springs of Arenal volcano, this nature is way, way, way better than most people's nature. And guess what? Mr. Base Science can freaking feel it to the max. Get the fuck off here, fly. I can feel it. And one thing that tropical environments are really good at, and I have noticed this, even though I didn't suffer much of this problem, but I have still seen improvements. If you don't know, you don't know what you are missing out. Sleep, one of the key pillars to health. You have to master the sleep. And tropical environment, the tropical sunlight, and the tropical light cycles are the only way, in my opinion, to truly master sleep as a human being. You can never sleep as good as in this environment. And I have really, truly noticed it. Just in 3 weeks I have been here. What makes it so good is the sunlight you can get during the day, the nature, the environment that you are immersed in, the high magnetic flux of the volcanic area, because whole Central America is volcanic. Now, closer you are to active volcano, the better. Also, the beaches are really good. Because sunlight, the daylight, actually creates melatonin, which is the sleep hormone. Makes you sleep good, does many other things as well, very important. But actually, people think about it as a darkness, night hormone. But actually, what it needs is the charge of the day sunlight. And you can get abundance here in the tropics. Now the other part, which is huge, and I noticed this big time coming from Finland, where the light cycles are totally upside down compared to the tropical light cycles. In the tropics, you get 12 hours of light, 12 hours of darkness every single day. It's this constant rhythm. There's no change. It's very easy for your body to adapt to this. In Finland, it's freaking all over the place. Your body's like, what the fuck is going on with these light cycles? In summer, it's light all the time. In winter, it's dark all the time. And your body's like, what the fuck is going on? Here, it's just the same. And it is nice, perfect rhythm. On top of all the other benefits that I already told you about. The magnetism, the strong sunlight, that also help a lot with sleep. So, in 3 weeks here, the number one thing that improved in me, because my sleep was already good in Finland, but one thing that I thought was still a little bit off for me is that when I went to sleep, I didn't fall asleep like that. Sometimes it took like 15 minutes, sometimes it took like 30 minutes, I felt like. On the rare days, it took even longer, like 45 to an hour. I don't know what was going on back then. But some rare days it took a little bit longer. And most days it was like 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Especially in the summer, when it's so light during the night time. And it confuses your body. Here, that improved immediately. And especially the place that I showed you yesterday that I'm staying in El Castillo, close to La Fortuna. This place is far away from population centers. The population density in Costa Rica is really good anyways. There's no 5G towers anywhere nearby. There's one Wi-Fi there, but there's not many Wi-Fis. So the non-native EMF radiation aspect is really good on that place. And it's near active volcano. And I can get the tropical sunlight. And I have slept the best I remember. I have probably slept better sometimes. But you know, you don't freaking remember what happened 5 years ago. How you slept 5 years ago. You can kind of have like, yeah, I slept kind of shitty in that time period. But like 10 years ago, you don't really remember. But as far as I remember, this is the best I have slept. And when I go to sleep, now it happens like this. I'm out. It can be freaking thunderstorm, earthquakes, like it was last night. There was a small earthquake and a huge, massive thunderstorm when I was going to sleep. It didn't matter. I was at sleep like this. It felt like it took like minutes. It's beautiful. And then you sleep all the way very good every single night here. And you naturally wake up at sunrise. That's the perfect cycle for human beings. Makes you feel the best. Makes you feel the optimal. And I feel like in other places than tropical places, you have to do all these biohacks. You have to really try hard to optimize your sleep. But here, you just freaking live. You just freaking come to these kind of places that are everywhere. You just get the freaking abundance of sunlight and everything happens naturally. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, like it's supposed to be. It should not be this freaking routine, this freaking protocol you are following like a robot. That most people are, because they are programmed like robots and they act like freaking robots. No, it's just this natural, easy flow of life where everything just happens naturally. You don't have to try hard. You just go with the flow, as some of those new agers say. But it is true. You go with the flow, huh? So, that's tropical sleep lessons. You having sleep problems, you having mental health problems, basically you having any kind of problem. This is the place to be to reverse your problems. Now the worse you are, the longer it's gonna take. The better you are already, the easier it's gonna be, the faster the progress. And then it's just to the top of vitality, energy, health. Maximizing your potential. Anyway, that's it. I'm going back to there and enjoy, because we have some science to do. Yes.